Volkswagen Touareg steering machine abnormal noise oil leakage repair, sent from Birmingham. The owner described the long-distance off-road crossing the rugged mountain road. The violent bumps overwhelmed the already aging Volkswagen Touareg. The seal is broken. Hydraulic oil leaks out when turning the steering wheel. Then came a harsh sound. Open the mobile phone immediately and search for where to repair the machine. Compared with many companies, we find that we are not only of high quality. The most important thing is the low price. Immediately arrange to send it to me in front of the screen. Do you choose to exchange it for thousands of dollars or send it to me for repair? For 1/10 of the price? Like it? Let's talk about it in the comment area.